We're back with Baby Metal. This time we're listening to Baby Metal featuring Slaughter to Prevail, song 3. Where's song 1 and 2? I've never heard Slaughter to Prevail. I've heard of Slaughter to Prevail, and I know they are heavy. They are a proper heavy metal band. I've heard many things about them, but I've never heard, or maybe I've heard a song of them, which I can't remember. But never heard Baby Metal and Slaughter to Prevail, song 3. Let's check it out. Baby Metal, Slaughter to Prevail, let's go. Right off the bat, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's get you fired up. Alright, let's do this. I'm digging this so far. First 20 seconds in. Holy shit. Alright, let's go. All right. Okay, so I got Ich-Ni-San. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure of that. Fucking hell. Jeez. That gets you going. Right. Let's get into this. I'm digging this. This is fucking awesome. I chose the wrong fucking video to go for my wireless headphones. This is gonna fall off my head. Holy shit, this bangs. This, way back, I used to say my gym playlist. This is definitely going on there. This pumps you up. Holy shit. Okay, let's go. There's like a minute left. the fuck? Alright, final thoughts up next. Welcome to Final Thoughts. Holy shit. You know, when you hear a song for the first time and you know this is going to be an instant classic, this is definitely it. Holy shit, that was good. The harsh tones, the harsh vocals, the harsh melody, and then you get Baby Metal in there, who's normally quite harsh, but they sound so tame almost. I don't want to say tame, but just not at the same level as Slaughter to Prevail, but it works so freaking well. I said it during the reaction as well. This is going on my gym playlist for sure, no question. This is fucking awesome. I'm out of breath actually. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to watch that video again because most of the time I was headbanging, eyes closed, just enjoying the sound. That was one of the best I've heard so far. I really enjoyed that one. I definitely need to check out more Slaughter to Prevail as well. That's directly in my line. I dig that. That is so cool. That's basically all I got to say about that. Epic. I loved it. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much. You are truly one of a kind. I've been so overwhelmed by the love and support I've gotten from this community. Small little channel, big little guy here in South Africa. Thank you so much for sticking around, enjoying the videos with me, and if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. It's been so much fun. It's been such a humbling experience that you guys are watching my reactions to this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. YouTube really loves that, and it does help the channel out a lot. With that said, till next time, bye.